if you have anything with the machine, you can always reset this before you do anything else. You just turn this off, turn the key off all the way, just wait for 5 seconds, turn it on again, and turn it on here again. And now the computer is reset. Now I will go back to the driving. When I push this to forward, the machine will go this way also, so like this. And you lose one of them a little bit, then it will turn like this. Another one, again like this. It is always best to take them all the way down like this, or all the way up. Not do it. If you do it a little bit like this, then the machine will go. You can see when you start, it's difficult to start the machine. So always take it all the way down and then lose it in a little bit, so to go slower. Then you can take the belt in and out. Just take both of them like this, and you can see the machine is going down and also the belt is going in. So now we go to a very narrow position, but when you do this, the machine will also be very low, so it is very easy to touch the ground. So when you do this, it is only if you have to go to a narrow place. Always, if you can, take it to the widest position as possible. You can also take one at a time if you want to do that, like this. If you go on a slope like this, then it could be a good thing to take the one belt a little bit up, because then the machine will go vertical in the drive. Always up if you can. The jib arm like this. When you drive the machine around, then it's good to have it up here, because if you go a little bit or a little something, then it can touch the ground and you will